So now I got some churros, some street churros. It's from street churros.
Oh. Wait till it's lovely.
And my dad keeps disturbing my stuff. So hi guys. So I bought some street churros. No, I mean some churros from street churros. You can't see it properly because it's fine. And it's in Melaka. In the mall. Near the Navy place. Oh yeah. I bought some churros from street churros. So I also got this chocolate dip like from Auntie Anne's, but the Auntie Anne's one is more flexible and this thing is a real churro because it's stick. It's like a stick. A little bit hard. It tastes good with the chocolate dip. So yeah. No, mommy, this is good. So yeah. Tastes nice. If you want to come here, you have to go to Melaka. You have to take a bus. I don't know if it's two buses or one bus. I don't know. Wait, mommy, how long did it take us to go to Melaka?
2 hours plus.
2 hours. 3 hours. 3 hours. 2 hours and above. So yeah. That's how long it takes to go to Melaka. 2 hours and above. I know it might take like 4 hours. It might get dirty because it's chocolate and it keeps dripping on my churros. So yeah. Is it true? One bite, it's already dead. Oh no. I wasn't talking down. Close. It's a